Yeah, on purpose. You can't do this on YouTube, baby.
I love you. I said I love you.
I just said it with my kisses, listen.
I just want a dog. Don't you want to be dog parents?
Mm-hmm.
Also, remember how I told you her whole family are like nomads? What do they do with their dogs? Where are their dogs?
You go with them.
No, the dogs are not with them, I can tell you that.
What kind of dog you want?
A pug. Alright, welcome to day 3 of staying home with COVID, although I feel fine. I took a test this morning and I am still positive for COVID, which is unfortunate because I was really hoping to go back to work, but it is okay. The universe is putting me exactly where I'm supposed to be. I always think, like, what is the universe saving me from during times like this? But today, we actually have Chance for most of the day. He does have like a short shift later, but pretty much he doesn't have to be there till 5. So we are going to pick up the grocery order that I was working on yesterday. It's going to be a drive-up order so that obviously I'm keeping people safe, and then I'm gonna have my mask, and then Chance is gonna run in. We're gonna FaceTime so he can get the stuff that was out of stock at Target, which basically just means like the brand or the count, but like obviously they're not out of stock of all eggs or out of stock of all avocados, or at least we hope not. And then he's gonna go into the Dollar Tree and grab some wrapping paper so we can wrap his mom's birthday present, because that is tomorrow. Which one are you looking for now?
Shaving cream.
Oh, okay. So, you want me to look up what aisle it's in?
Yeah, I have no idea where I'm at.
That's okay, let me help you out. It says it's in aisle G15.
I'm near F, so that's near G, right?
Well,
Okay.
let me look on the map for you. You're near F. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to head towards the back of the grocery store. You know where they keep like the wall of refrigerators?
Yeah, I already found it. I beat you.
Oh, well, I'm just, okay. Technically,
I beat you.
I don't know about that.
I see it here. I'm gonna turn around.
Thanks, baby.
They've got the normal one.
Can you show me all the options? I've been using the sensitive one, but I kind of miss having a scent, and I feel like it doesn't make it as soft. We'll zoom out so I can see prices. I really like the EOS. So hold on, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. You're like too close. Are those the only options?
No, they've got the up and up. They've got some over here.
I think, go over to your left again. Can you smell the Cremo ones and tell me if those smell good?
Smell them?
Yeah, like, do they smell good?
No, it smells like medicine.
Oh, both of them?
Oh, I haven't smelled the other one yet.
Oh.
Doesn't really have a smell.
Okay, then you know what? I'm gonna stick to my original EOS, but let's do not that one, because I miss having a scent. Whichever scent you like better, the purple or the white. Lavender or vanilla.
Just one or two?
Just one. Thank you. I appreciate you doing that.
I see the 18 count.
Oh, well, they lied to us. Oh, they really lied to us. It's all there. Okay, would you mind seeing if they're all, just check that the eggs are all good, and I'm good on my end.
Okay.
Anything I can do to help you? Probably not.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up, okay? I'll see you when you're done.
Alright, I love you.
I love you more.
Bye.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up.
Alright, rapid fire grocery haul. Dark brown sugar, powdered sugar, rapid rise yeast, white sugar, ground turkey, whipped cream, biscuits, Hawaiian rolls. This is tons of chicken, some whole milk for a recipe, frozen strawberries, frozen passion fruit tropical blend, shredded cheese, some ham, a conditioner bottle that is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be because it's a lot smaller than my shampoo, salt and vinegar, barbecue chips, some red and green grapes, 2 different kinds of sparkling waters, 4 cans of black beans, some kidney beans, some tomato sauce, eggs, avocados, bagels, shaving cream, sesame seed buns, some goldfish, chili powder, lemon pepper seasoning, honey, pasta sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, and another pasta sauce.
Waking up in a bed with my head on a chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on a chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
I just made Chance and I this breakfast sandwich for lunch. It's got avocado, provolone, egg whites that were left over from the mystery recipe that I'm making, and everything bagel, some cream cheese, a little bit of butter. Gonna be yum, yum, yum. And we're gonna watch another episode of Ginny and Georgia because the new season's out, and oh, it's so good. I'm not in the kitchen right now, but that is because I wanted decent audio. Chance is currently watching a video in the kitchen on how to make hamburgers or something like turkey burgers, something of the sort. But while he is on that food adventure, I actually have been looking at this recipe for literal months. I'm not gonna say what it is out loud because I don't want to spoil it for Chance, because I've been wanting to make it for him. But I want to pull up the recipe on my Pinterest, make sure I'm making it right, and I think I'm gonna make it because it says it doesn't take very long. Oh, just kidding, it says it takes 3 hours. We're going with it now. Off to the grills.
Nothing above that can stop us. You and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe. We'd be glorious. And you could try hating or shaming, and there'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe. We'd be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need.
Voiceover Kiana here because my mic really flopped at this point in the day. I have basically followed my Pinterest recipe. I created a dough, I let it rise and do its thing, and now on to the more fun part of the process, which is recreating the emoji poops but in bread form. This was not as easy or as quick as it looks here, but I hope that I improve my culinary skills by making this, and one day this will be easy, breezy, baker girl. Also, once I made those, I then realized that I also need to let the poops rise for another 45 minutes, so don't be like me and do not prematurely preheat your ovens. And while you wait, just sit your cute self on the couch and enjoy some Emily in Paris.
We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play.
these are our final products. This is my attempt at making pan de Mallorca. I think I'm saying that right. I'll link the recipe that I followed in the description box below for you all. These were honestly a solid 6 out of 10. I don't think it's the recipe's fault. I think it's my fault. They needed more butter or moisture or something. They need wine.
You want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
You guessed it, another clip where the audio flopped on me. Anyways, this is me warning you to always pop a cork under a towel so that it can't go flying and cause any bodily harm. Wine tips from your girl.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go.
We just got an order in. This is some Naked Wine, aka that's the name of the brand. Oh, this is 70% info. We have a Cabernet, a Shiraz, Rabbit and Spaghetti. What an interesting name. Mr. Glover, Moscatel Rosado, a regular Moscato sweet selection. I want you guys to know that he got these little foo-foo ones for me. Jen Pfeiffer. Why does that name sound familiar?
It's the hero,
Racket like a redhead. That's kind of funny.
That's the first 6. We've got 9 more coming.
9 more? Like 9 total or 9 more?
9 more. Like there'd be 15 total. That's free money.
You're insane, Mr. Central.